channel, welcome to Reviews on Anything. My name is Peter and today we're having a look at something a little different. It's not this, because this is a Kindle and this is a fantastic product. I really think this is one of the best devices I've ever owned. But it is also a very impersonal device. It's stamped out in a factory in China somewhere, it's sold by this behemoth called Amazon, and you're just one of many million of people to own this kind of device. So as functional as it might be, it's not very personal, it's not very special. Now that brings us nicely to the opposite end of that scale, and that is products like this, what we're looking at today. This is a field notes kit by a company called Popov Leather, which is a small Canadian company in British Columbia that makes handmade leather items like this, writing tools, but also toiletry bags, belts and so on. Now, purely functionally speaking, it's a note kit, right? So there is a little notebook inside, field notes, that's included by the way, so that's nice. So you can do some note taking, there's a place to store your pen, and that is really all there is to it. Nothing too technically speaking very exciting, but what is exciting is the attention to detail and the sort of the personal touch of this product. Now a product like this, as small as it might be, has a lot of character and that is really cool. Popov makes some claims on their website about how they treat the leather, for example. They take it as it comes, with all its blemishes, with all its flaws, within reason of course. Because leather obviously comes from an animal and that animal gets insect bites. It might walk into some barbed wire, for example, so there is scuffs and marks on the leather. And of course you can polish that all the way into sort of a single bland looking piece of leather, but Popov takes it as it comes, and that shows because none two items are going to be the same when you order from them. So there's scratches on them, there's marks on them, and there's obviously the leather is treated, but it is already a unique feel and a unique touch that you give to your product this way. The leather itself, by the way, is amazing. If you've ever been in a luxury car dealership and you've gotten into a luxury car, that smell, that's what you got right here. Too bad this isn't smell-o-vision, but this smells fantastic. From the moment you open the box to pretty much every time you use it, it's very nice. And again, that adds to the character of the product, that every time you use it, you're going to be smelling that leather and thinking, oh yeah, this is nice. Now it doesn't come cheap. This is obviously a small volume product and it's handmade, so it takes a lot of time. So this costs €62 here in the Netherlands for this size. Add some shipping and handling on top of that, and it's certainly not cheap. You can get way cheaper options that are stamped out in a factory like we started the video with. But I don't think they can even begin to touch sort of the personality and the character that you get from a product like this. There's a few personalization options as well, like the stitching color. You can do some engraving as well if you want, and you can choose to have the pen loops or not. So that, you know, makes it a bit more unique already. But the real, you know, star of the show is obviously the leather. The way it feels in the hand, the way it smells, the way it looks. And obviously this will also fade and wear over time, adding even more character to it. Now that's really all I can say about this field notes kit. You know, it is technically speaking not very exciting because it is just a notes kit. But like I said a few times now, it is really a personal product that you can buy with a lot of character in it, and I think you'll be very happy to spend the money on a product this good. I really like products like this. They're unique, they're special, and you can really, you can almost feel sort of that personal touch in the product when you open the box, and that is really nice, and I'll be happy to pay the premium for that. This was Peter from Reviews on Anything with a look at the field notes kit from Popov Leather. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please subscribe to the channel, that always helps us out a lot. Definitely check out Popov Leather as well to see what they have to offer for you. And I'll catch you guys in the next video. Cheers!